Do you want to know different free traffic source online? Welcome to my Traffic Underdog review. In this video, I'm going to do the review of Traffic Underdog. This is a training program introduced by Robin Palmer, where he introduced different free traffic hacks, different methods from where you can drive tons of traffic online to your website, to your affiliate page, and wherever you want. Okay, so this is all the training program which is going to show you how to drive tons of traffic from online, okay, from the different hacks. So I'm going to show you the member area, but before that I have prepared some of the exclusive bonus for you. So this bonus page link is given in the description, and you have to pick this bonus before the 10th of August. Okay, this bonus page is going to expire on 10th of August. You can click in the link in the description and you'll get this page, and if you click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, you will be redirected to this affiliate page. Okay, this is their affiliate page, and if you click here, you can buy this Traffic Underdog, and you can also get the exclusive bonus which I made for you. So let me show you some of the bonuses. So the number one bonus which I made for you is how to make money with Quora in 2020, a free traffic method from where I drive tons of traffic, the right way to do the Quora, and you can drive tons of traffic to their affiliate links and you can sell so many different products. Okay, so this is in a video tutorial which you're going to see. And another bonus too is like easy traffic ideas for membership sites. So if you have a membership site, you can know how to drive the traffic, how difficult it is to drive the traffic to membership sites. So, but watching this video will definitely going to help you. And the bonus number 3 is like this free traffic is the best to make sales in any niche. And in this video, guys, exclusively, I'm going to show you my case study where I made $286, okay, driving free traffic. So you can learn that from watching that high quality video. As well as in the bonus 4, you're going to learn how to get traffic to your website fast. Okay, this is also in a video. And then you have a bonus 5 where you're going to learn, right, how I made $126 in 1 hour with free traffic selling other people's product. Okay, this is an amazing way, guys, which I discovered, and I just put that thing in a video. So you can get all these things, right, by just clicking here, and you have to get this bonus before the bonus page expire. Okay, so let me show you this offer page or the sales page. So here by Robin Palmer, he's revealed new hack turns stone cold newbies into profit magnets in 50 minutes. Okay, so no email or paid traffic required. That's great. So that is means no hustle, you don't need to collect the emails, and no paid traffic, that is you don't need to pay from your pocket. Zero experience, completely 100% newbie friendly, right? And get started right now, and you can get into this sales page because I'm going to give the links in the description, so you can get into here and you can read all these things. So let me show you the member area here. So here the first video is the welcome video in the member area. You can join his coaching groups, you can join his YouTube channel. He have an amazing YouTube channel, and right, also you can know how to get approved to promote a Traffic Underdog. All those you can click here, and then he have this video, watch the first, where he's given all the review about what are the different hacks he covered. So here is, this is the template hack, and this is all about, right, he's sharing how to create a amazing template which is going to give you high conversion. Okay, so he's going to share you his own template which worked for him. Okay, and then he have a question hack, again, how to drive traffic from Quora, and it's a live hack. So that means how to do the live streaming with Facebook, YouTube, and different video from one place. Okay, so it's going to give you that hacks also. And then you have a party hacks. So I think this is Facebook watch party from which you can drive tons of traffic, so you can learn here that thing. And that is a bird hack, that is all about Twitter, right, how to drive the traffic from Twitter or Fiverr and all. Okay, the one page hack. And then he have the guru hacks. In this is going to show you how you can place your products or, right, your affiliate links and all in, right, the influencers. Okay, and then you have sniper hacks, and which is again, I think so, a Facebook method, right, how to drive the traffic from the Facebook and all. Okay, and then you have a classified hack, which is all about how to drive tons of traffic from classified. Classified is an amazing play. If you do it properly, you will get the tons of sales as well as the traffic also. And then you have the interceptor hack, which is again something related to Facebook video, right? And without showing the face, you can create Facebook video and you can drive the traffic here. So all these things, guys, you're gonna get all these things in just $7. Here you can see this is the front end. All these things you're going to get $7, as well as do not forget I'm also giving you the bonuses here if you pick right away right now, okay, and before the 10th of August. So all these bonuses you're going to get exclusively if you pick up this product, Traffic Underdog, in $7. Okay, so just you have to click anywhere here and it will take you to their sales page or the affiliate page. From here you're going to click here and this will take you to the the checkout page, which will be looked like this. Okay, thank you for the purchase. Once if you purchase, here you can access your product, Traffic Underdog, and below here, right, you can access my complete bonus. Okay, and this will be the interface of your purchase page. And here you can get all this exclusive bonus, right? 5 bonuses only for just $7, and as well as all these hacks you can learn. And if you want to get into the upsell, if you can see the upsells, this is an amazing, right? He's offering you private label right. That means you will get the right to promote 2 of his product, that is Ignitor and Traffic Underdog. That means you can label your name. You can call yourself as like you are the maker of this product and you can sell this, okay, and your own, and then resell right. That means you can get the resell right of this product too again. And also you will get the lot of support from his team and you can drive tons of traffic, and they will set up the traffic platform for you, right? With the upgrade you will get tons of spillover traffic for being able to place your link inside the Ignitor and Traffic Underdog member area. So this is an amazing and unlimited traffic, right? And that is put your pixel on my sales page. So this is an amazing, because guys, you know that email and Facebook pixels are only your asset. So you can put your pixel in their sales page, and whenever anybody is going to drive the traffic to their page, like how I'm driving to traffic in their page, you will collect all them and you can retarget them. So this is an amazing, right, upsell. And then Traffic Accelerator, which is right upgrade, you get the secret traffic acceleration bundle that will help you to supercharge your results. So all these things, guys, just if you pick $7, you'll get all these hacks as well as the bonuses which I prepared. Okay, so before it's expired, guys, click here and it's going to expire on the 10th of August. You can have all this. Okay, so link is given in the description and you can get your Traffic Underdog to drive tons of traffic here, right, with all these hacks which you're going to learn. So hope you're going to love this software, and the link is given in the description and you can get it. Let me know if you want to know anything more about this in the comment. So meanwhile, thank you.